Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to day 12 of 12 days of Liller-Ween. I cannot believe we are at the end, you guys, and that means today's Halloween. Happy Halloween, you guys. I hope you guys have a safe one and eat tons of treats and have fun with your loved ones. I am so excited. I am extremely overwhelmed with how awesome this series went this year. I am super excited for next year's already. You guys made this one so amazing. I had so much fun with you guys. Reading your comments and seeing the excitement made me super excited and kept me going. I tend to kind of like fall off halfway through sometimes when I create series because I kind of get bored and stuff, but you guys were just cheering me on and it just made me want to continue to create. And today's project is the biggest prize from the whole 12 days. It is this Pasteloween haunted house shadow box. I am so excited to share this with you guys. It's going to hurt my soul to part with it, but that is the name of the game, and some lucky winner is going to win this bad boy. I tried to create a tutorial for you guys, or kind of like a craft with me, but there was just some parts that it was just like I get in the zone when I start things. But I did film a few clips for you guys, which I will be playing in a few minutes, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about the box before we get into that. So this house was the brown houses that they sell in Michael's. It's like a little kit. I didn't use anything from that kit because I just had the house. I spray painted it with mint green spray paint that I used in my memory decks makeover. I think it's something aqua mist. I'll have it linked down below. But I spray painted the whole house. I did the back as well, but I just didn't do like full because it was just, I didn't want it to get all sticky and yucky. So it is a little distressed in the back, but I think it's perfect. I don't mind that at all. It's the back. It's going to be displayed wherever it's going to be. In the front, it's going to show. So that's not really that important. And as far as the outside trim, in the video you're going to see that I did put the trim on the bottom as well, but it would not stand straight, and I want whoever wins this, I want them to be able to display it. So if you can't stand it, that's not going to be fun. So I ended up just putting some spider paper down here because when I ripped the ribbon, it did tear, excuse me, a little bit of the, oh my god, I almost choked, a little bit of the paint. So what I did was I put some cardstock paper, and yeah, you guys, so I wanted to show you, I didn't put a backing on this one. As you can see, they all have like cardstock in the back, which I stitched. You guys will see that as well, but I think it turned out so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. There's pom-pom trim, there's flowers, there's bats, there's so much to look at, and I really do hope you guys are excited to win this because I am excited to give it away. But let me let you guys get into the clips of what I did film, and I will be back with you in a few minutes. So I'm popping in to show you guys that I'm going to be using the Hobby Lobby trim in pink. And I have already put it all the way around the house. As you can see, I'm using the Little Hot Tamale collection. I think it's the pastel Halloween collection. I'll have it linked down below as well. And then I cut all my pieces that are going to be going inside for the background, and I stitched on every single one of them. So now what we're going to do is glue the little pieces to the back of the house. And now this is how it's looking so far with all the little pieces in the background. It's already coming together, you guys. I absolutely love it. Looks so cute with the little trim on the side. So now I'm gonna add, I might add some pom-pom trim coming down on the center right here to make it like a little something coming on the windows, but I'll probably do that towards the end. So let's continue decorating. And we're back, and those were the clips that I was able to film while creating this haunted house. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips. I tried to film as much as I can, you guys, but when you're making a project that's so tedious like this, it's kind of hard to film every step because I just kept going back and forth. I painted the skeleton in pink. I broke his arms and just like divided the pieces throughout the house, which I thought were so cute. I added little puffies to the spiders. This is just some webbing from the Dollar Tree. There's pom-poms. These little cactuses are from Hobby Lobby, and I just distressed them, like make them look like old plants sitting around for a while. And then there's just like a bunch of little bits that I put. I did a little sequence jar. But I still hope you guys enjoyed the clips that I did include in the video. And on to the giveaway. The winner for today is going to be winning, well, the giveaway for today is going to be winning the haunted house, of course. And I'm also including a memory decks card. I created this card just because I found the card already stitched up laying on my desk, and I decided to decorate it, and it turned out so cute, you guys. I used my cart die that I've had forever, and I just decided to put some little ghosties, having some coffee and some cupcakes, and a little hostess with his little silly face. I added some gemmies. It's not that dimensional, but it's pretty dimensional. And it's so cute. I did a little foamy bat. There's a little spider web in the back. So the winner for today's giveaway is going to win the memory decks card and the haunted house. So if you want to be a winner or have a chance to win, shall I say, I never know how to word that for some reason. I don't know why. I just get all tongue twisted. But if you want an opportunity to win these prizes, you guys, you know what to do. Today's the last day. You guys have been amazing. Leave a comment down below saying, Happy Halloween, enter me, please. So yeah, that's it, you guys. This is the end of 12 days of Liller-Ween. Thank you to each and every one of you who have participated in this series, who have cheered me on throughout the whole series. I love you. I appreciate you. And stay tuned for more. I have a birthday challenge coming up next month. I have a Christmas series, Jingle Lils, coming up. There is so much that I'm going to be doing on my channel, so you want to stay tuned. We're going to do it. 2020, you guys, is going to be the year of giving. I plan to be doing a lot of videos where I'm going to be giving away what I make. I don't do swaps as much as I used to, so I decided to just create videos like this where I'm going to be giving away to whoever happened to watch my video that day. I'll do a little secret, I don't know, like a little secrets giveaway on the video where you could be watching or you missed that video. But in that video towards the end, I said I'm going to be giving away the project. So don't miss out on any videos. Hit that bell to be notified. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Enjoy your Halloween.